Okay, testing, testing. If somebody listening, just let me know if audio is good. Okay, let's start recording. Okay, so who'll come or watch later? Welcome to the Market Watch first test stream. And during this stream, we'll take a look at Lazy Assistant, also uh, our market screener. Oh, okay, I see we have a little bit delay. Yeah, I don't know how it works, how will be big delay with the video. The first priority is to be as real time as possible. Let's do the test. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so looks like the video and picture, sorry, the audio and the picture is synced. And we have a little bit the delay between what I'm telling and when you're seeing it. But it's basically a few minutes, not big. So to start our day, firstly we need to find some stocks that we can trade. So for that, you have few options, or you can go to the Discord group where you have the stocks screened hourly, and find which of them have some of the signals or BIOS or sell signal. Or we can use the trading view screener. I have the preset screener already here, and we just add the stocks selected of 54 stocks. Let's see, we have already half hour of trading in the markets, so we'll be looking only on Nasdaq and New York stocks. Yeah, let's see, with the volume low, select 1 million more and above. So, and add the watch list. And now let's scroll through all of them. Okay, enjoy. Yeah, if you don't know what the stock means, yeah, I need to learn a lot. Just into which sector. I wanted to also to add the sector to Lazy Assistant, but for the moment we don't have this option. But we'll try. So just a little bit to explain how we'll be looking at. So first we need to see that we have trend on 1 hour chart, and then after we found some trend or this consolidation phase, we have some breakout. Then you can find similar situations on the 1 minute. also we have this consolidations. You can see the location of this consolidation, how it's clearly visible. You can have quite good signals on entry. So we have this consolidation. Next day breakout. We go a little bit to our crossroads indicator. So we're still maintaining the momentum. We didn't break out from the orange band above it. And so we had again some consolidation. The stop was 70 cents. So 70 cents depends on the volume you're trading. I would say it's quite good, even if you go above the highest one, so 80 cents. So if you're trading with, let's say, $10,000, you want to have at least 4 trades, 4 positions. So it means 250, 2,500 per trade. So you can easily take 50 shares. 50 shares, if we get the stop, it will be above about $40. So acceptable loss. But of course, you can see that we're still in a quite strong downtrend. And if we would enter here, oh, so almost $2 possible profit. So 1 to 2 trade. Quite nice. Yeah, so this is the principle that we'll be checking. Also, this new indicator of our lazy assistant, just quick explanation. So we'll get the last price, so the price that we will have. Yeah. Then we have lazy stop. So now it's visible on the overlay chart. So it shows you the stop of 30.48. So it was yesterday. This is the stop. So in this stop, we also included the margin, top margin of 0.2%. So it depends if you want this margin or not. Lower it. So it's already with the margin, so you basically don't need to think a lot. And next, if you're trading like crypto, I would prefer to have a percentage. And when I'm trading intraday stocks, I would like to have dollar value. And also, you can change stop type, see that amount and percent. Go to percent. Yeah, so now I have the percentage. Depends what you prefer. And for the next, we have 3 resolutions that we're monitoring. So first resolution will be the present one, 1 minute. Next will be 5 minutes and 1 hour. Yeah. And for envelope, the next part will be monitoring the third resolution. That means 1 hour. So all these lines showing us 1 hour resolution. So I see we still have 0 viewers. If somebody will coming, just say hello, so I would know that somebody visited. This is, of course, only the test stream for myself to see and just have some record and just to look it through later on and to see some mistakes that I did and try to fix them for next trading. Because this project and these streams are mainly for learning purpose, for preparation, for my, let's say, retirement. Uh, I want to become as best trader, investor as possible. So every mistake, every record of mistake is very valuable. All the comments, of course, all the questions. As I noticed that the more I answer the questions, the more I try to teach somebody, the more I learn and more I have ideas for new indicators, for new tools to develop. So feel free to ask, to challenge, and we'll get through this crazy market together. And hopefully, next bull run, we can say, I quit my job. Yeah, this is a plan. Yeah, okay, so as I said before, this is three time frames: 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 60 minutes. So it means without 1 hour. We have the momentum bands on these levels. So $31 and 31.65. So it's on 1 hour. So it should be 1, 5. Yeah, 5 here. So you can immediately decide where you want to put the stop. So if you want to be safer, you can go above. So this immediate some reference values. You see that 31.5. Okay, so now still not showing. Now we're still in the pre-market. So let's go through all the stocks. We have 20 minutes till the stocks start moving. And let's new rule that I'm trying to apply. I try to not to go into the market first half hour to 1 hour. So only the New York time, let's say 10 o'clock, 10:30, we start going to the market, because this first half hour is a lot of emotions, a lot of volatility, and I had most of my losses during this half hour when I entered. Because when you enter it, you believe that the stock is going your way, but it can make a helicopter move and reverse 180 quite fast, and you already in the losing trade. So I'm trying to be more careful now. I'm trying to implement this psychological mindset, and yeah, at least I stop losing a lot. And for the practice purpose, if you're playing with TradingView, you have also the paper trading, so you can add and just test yourself. Yeah, I'm trying to have this balance around 10,000, so it would reflect more or less the actual amount of money I have and I can trade with. So all the entries would be exactly as they will be in real life. Okay, so Yankee Yankee, Joy Company, so have sideways trading. Yeah, yeah, would be actually good to retrace. I believe we should retrace even more. Yeah. So this is not clear situation. Let's see the other ones. Okay, instead of falling, we almost reach the 21. Yeah, already had a few days of consolidation. Let's see this one. Let's put it to the downside if it will go. The short. And this is our screener. It will be publishing to the public Discord server. So if you join later on, you can see the alerts. Yeah, if you join with a free this temporary QR code, you can also check this public server to make it available. Maybe for the future streams, if you do it, will also allow it all the alerts to go to the public server, so everyone can follow if some alerts will trigger. Of course, it will be triggered only for the stocks selected for the day. Next day, we'll remove all these triggers and put the new stocks. So basically, it's quite easy. There'll also be create the live screener for the trading view only, and you'll get the same information but in different layout on the trading view. And you can also make the same alerts. It will be released no, maybe later this year, maybe closer to the new year. We'll refine all the indicators because now the time is limited. In 1 week, I need to go back to work. Okay, so we add alerts. So all alerts already preset. Webhook is done. Open-ended. Of course, for this to be open-ended, you need to have the premium account on TradingView. And also, if you want to have more than 30 alerts, you also need a premium account. But don't worry, even if you have a free account and you decided to join our community, this project, you can use the TradingView free account and get 3 indicators that actually is the maximum you can put on the free account. And you can use all the alerts that I'm receiving on my TradingView account. So it's 100 of crypto USD, 100 of crypto BTC, and 100 of stocks on 1 hour chart. And the rest will be additional for these live streams for day trading for the public, or maybe we can create additional server for the trading group. We'll see. So just easy. Click create, and if we receive the momentum signal, the signal will come to Discord. Yeah, on Discord, it will be visible on the public screener. Let's see if we can get some good trades from it. The chart. Visible. Chart more than the watch list. So let's go to the next one. Let's try to find out the liquid stocks. Yeah, you can see that liquidity is not so good here. That already some retracement. The lows. Came to the momentum of 1 hour price, and this will be good for the short. Just like 50 stocks. See, if actually our screener will be in good time giving us a good signal. So this is a good one for the short. So basically, looking down. So here we also can see that envelopes are looking down. 1 hour, 5 minutes looking down, and only momentum on 1 minute is looking up. So the moment we receive the alert for the sell, we can execute this trade. Yeah, we have the price in between the envelopes. No man's land. You see we had drop down, retracement. So yeah, we can still expect that we can go up to this yellow daily envelope, 61. But to trade against the trend, yeah, that's then also liquidity. Get a bit of jumps. This one. Okay, nice. We have envelope looking down, only one momentum up. So the moment we have the momentum down, we can trade downward. Very good trend. If you can see that if it will go up, we can put our stops behind this one of the envelopes, this blue one. So good for short. Third. 10 minutes to go. The market opens. Okay, sideways movement. Okay, no man's land. Actually was there's saving fail. Interesting. Back. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Let's see if it triggers. Make one more. Next one. Rock. I lost money on this one. Yeah, as said before, check our gutter. So for the small time frames, better check change the scale. I like the visuals better like this. A bit just. Yeah, I like this new adjustments of TradingView that you can adjust your funnels. This was before. This is new, and it's quite beneficial when you need just glimpse on a high time frame, and but all the decisions will be based on the short time frame. So we have stock okay, for trading. If you see the lot of signals, just go one step up, one time frame up. You can see that upwards movement. Yeah, no man's land. Yeah, because we have signal for reversal. convergence price and got an indicator. Also, the envelopes showed us the strength. Let's see this one. The entry will be a good one after we broke the stop on 5 minutes. Let's put it on 5 minutes. I like it, but I don't like it on 1 minute chart. Okay, also for the short. Not right inside the no man's land. Okay, so looking down, this is good. Probably this stronger momentum up. We have one momentum up on 1 minute and 5 minutes. Okay, I'm looking on my stream. I see we have a little bit delay. Let me check the what. Okay, stream status. Experience some buffering on the stream. Yeah. Okay. So this always repeat again. This is the test of the stream. Because of the hardware and software. Internet it should be good. I don't know. Maybe I need to connect with the wire next time. Try one more time with the wire and see the stream speed again. It's everywhere I have it. Okay, let's continue. This one for the short. Also on the breakout below the hour stop. This will be a short signal. 5 minutes. So continuation signal. We have already 3 signals, and we need one more orange one where we decide to short. After we get this one, so maybe short one. Yeah, looks like I'm selecting everything for the short. Nothing looks good for why. Looks like the price will open a bit higher. Still short. So just to give you a little bit information, I'll never try to buy from these levels, because every time I was trying to be smarter than the market, buying lower than our momentum. I said, okay, if we reverse, I get some good movement, move up, and when the price was reversing in this range, I was losing money. So unless the price goes up, I'll stay above this uh, orange uh, momentum bands. I'll not consider to go long. Yeah. We'll go again through all the charts once we go live on the market. For now. We'll be looking to the short. Short. With one signal. Go short, we go short. If not, strongly upwards. No man's land. Consider not to trade. Okay, market open. No man's land. Okay. So market going higher. Okay, let's quickly set up with the stocks we already select. Going first. Okay, so receive is no. Okay, in the pre-market. Let's wait for the market. So what was the first sell, and then when also to the market we again receive. We are also checking the pre-market. The internet is a bit laggy. I need to go on the wire to get a smooth playback. And the hardware also has some problems. The CPU is working hard. So the streaming software, of course, is demanding a lot of resources. But actually, it's this MacBook Air M1 is better than my MacBook Pro, the best one from 2015. Okay, so we have something. Yeah, so for the better view, also enable the extended market data. Of course, you have already some price movement in the pre-market, and it makes the indicators more smooth. Like actually, in some cases, even the real-time charts can give you a fake location of indication. So sometimes you see the momentum bands below, so it looks for the long, but actually they are above. Then you go to the wrong side of the market. Yeah, so we'll see with the streaming. Maybe we need to go to the other platform. Next time we'll try also to stream without this showing the Discord, showing the other tools, just directly from the trading view, and see how it will go from there. The stream was just to see how the hardware will behave, also to showcase a little bit the tools. I'm streaming to nobody, to myself, but it's a good opportunity to see and to practice my speaking. It's very hard to speak to yourself and to voice your thoughts. So far, we're doing good. Yes, so this is one of my platforms. It gives you leveraged account. So with a small investment, you can get 14,000. Play with it for the beginners is quite nice. And to learn the stock market, it's quite different from the crypto. When you have a nice movement, you can monitor them 24 hours if you need and get real-time alerts. But the benefit of the stock intraday trading, of course, that you can work only 2-3 hours per day, and you exactly know when you start and when you finish. So that's why for me it's quite interesting, and just make say a semi passive income, just coming a few times per week, only a few hours. Get yourself some extra income for the everyday expenses, and the rest will be investing. You don't need to worry or search for money when you're waiting through the bear market. Just, here you can earn up and down. Doesn't matter. The most important to select the right side of the market. You have a bit jaggy view. If any alerts up, S&P. Don't go against S&P. again to what we select. Go much higher. Don't intend to go in. And scroll down. For 20 minutes to 10 o'clock New York time. Monitor the market. From up, still no man's land. Now trend is down. First stock that we can long. So we have ENV showing up about daily. Happening before from May 26th. All is bargain outlet holding. Start trading. Looks quite nice. It was 3 or 5. So we in the fifth wave. Range. So 55 is nice. So $1 for sure going up. If we get any buy signals. Alert. Monitor if any signals will come up. But for now, of course, also can see the additional information. So generally, the stock is moving $2.7. It's around 5% of the actual value. The stock minimum, maximum 1.7. So we can earn $1 for sure per day. And now we already moved to 1.5. 58% of the move. Once we get to the 80, we can write down it, but not advisable. And the highest area that we can go, so for the 100% of the true range for today, $7 price, and 59 it's 200% of ATR. This is the maximum. And then the lowest, of course, we not consider because we're going up. And the volume is actually is in the test, because for the crypto and stocks is different. To see if it's even valid for the stock. To show you some more settings for the assistant. We have the set up the colors how you like, and for the ATR we have the ATR net. for the 100, 200, minus 100. So to be clearly visible, you can set up the levels. So also you can change the color if you like. Just one want to be bright, just to have some idea. First high ITTR, $57. So here we have the first one, and then second be on the 59. So once we reach the true range of 100, and expect some bounce, or if we have some retracement, we can look for the buy. Also for the short term trend and trading, use VWAP, volume weighted average price on the technical. It's already preset. Okay, on settings, brighter, bigger. Yeah, once we come to the VWAP, you can also look for the quick trade. Here. It's time. I'll move down. You're waiting only for the one to complete the move. With that one, the short. S&P still going up. S&P is going up, so it's pulling all the market. Sometimes you can even trade against the market. But yeah, this looks weak. As soon as we receive. Alerts. Point. Same what we received on the Discord group. Okay, so we see the strong move down. Good sign. Other. So yeah, the screener is working. You're checking all the other charts, adding to your screener. And once there'll be some good move, you can quickly go to the chart and decide if you want to go into the trade or not. No man's land. No, wait. Another stock for the long. All for the long. We need to see at least something, some retracements. Quite far away from our band. So I prefer to see this kind of setups when we close by with the momentum. This one, yellow, and orange, the second one. So this is I call no man's land. So we can go either direction. So you can see we broke down, we tested, and then we so after we gone up also above the VWAP out of no man's land. we have the signal for the momentum up. So this area would be nice to go in, and with a stop below the no man's land. So a little bit time to wait, but you're getting the stop of 8 cents only. So depends on your position and how many shares you trade. Just make calculations. But for me, it again only $40 with even same day we received $1.5 profit times. If we sell 50% to 80% of our shares, put nice stop and just even leave overnight, and you see the momentum was quite good. So this is a good setup, and that's why I decided to wait, not be smarter than the market, just find the early entries with the direction of the market. And this is how our lazy assistant is helping us. So you just quickly check what is showing. So you can immediately say, okay, we need to go long, we need to go short, or we're in the no man's land. So also depends how this no man's land is looking. If it's quite wide, not a good opportunity to go in, because you going down, there is no man's land. So just wait till you go out and you get the signal. Just again, so we entered. Let's see on the. This is how the setup was looking on 1 minute chart. Still 0 viewers. Nice. But actually, I'm enjoying myself. So if you're interested, please join me. If you're not, then not. No problem. Because all this project and everything what I'm doing is for myself, for my friends, and for my family, just to help them to find some additional financial source, maybe even to quit the job and just to spend 2-3 hours per day looking at the charts and getting the same 100, maybe $200. Quite good pay, especially in the place where we live. You can see that once we're going down, yeah, the bitrate is quite low. Okay, so the next time for sure we'll try to with the LAN cable. So if somebody knows how to improve the transmission, just let me know. Try to do it better. And hopefully next time, with your support or without, get some better hardware. We'll be going to the Mac Studio. We'll see how the streams will go. We'll continue improving our hardware, software, and also our connection. Let's see the combination that will be best and most efficient. But this is one of the reasons that I decided to make this project and the products paid. Just to improve the the quality of the products that will be delivering. So that we can invest in some more expensive stuff and make it more better, smoother experience for everybody. Reason that the download speeds are quite low. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out if we can make it not much more, but faster. Honestly, the best internet available. Home. Get the best performance from it. Yeah, next time I'll prepare better and we'll see how the go. For the moment, we have a little bit bad connection. Yeah, we're already almost 1 hour on the stream. 0 viewers. So probably I'll be just review a few more talks. I'll show you how I like and how I prefer to trade using our tools. So here on chart you'll see all the tools that we made, almost all of them. So we have Crossroads, Envelope. This is a built-in EMA, just to see the difference between No Man's Land. This is 1 hour EMAs. Lazy Assistant. Here, switch on and off. Our screen alerts. Still didn't. This is the Pointix PTC. We didn't receive any alerts for the top here. And also built-in view up. So this is all the tools we're using. Also the gutter, just to see the. And don't get into the hype too much. When you see the momentum going up quite a lot, then you have the higher price, not quite a lot of momentum, and then you see the momentum down. You can just close your position and call it a day. So when you see this formation, it's clearly not so much buying. It's probably time to go. Don't try to short it. Don't be smarter than the market, because we can get 1 week up and get stopped out. If you go in a good place, you can go out and call it a day. You have plus this trade was in the No Man's Land. I don't know even if I would took it. You're going down, and you can see that this is the place here. When we gone out, and the price reached some level invisible that nobody saw. Actually, it's daily envelope ENV. Exactly, we're refusing to go above. On 1 minute, that's magical invisible level. Most of the technical analysts will show, okay, yes, we have some resistance. Yeah, we have, but you don't need to figure out nothing. It's already, it's there. Just take the tools, set up them properly, and you have quite nice, quite visual information. So we're going down. Over the test of the average envelope on the daily, and go into accumulation zone lower part. Again, reach our average envelope, the base one, stayed it below, broke up. But before, it's a good zone. When you break out, breakout place, and you can start going along. Now every time we go inside the No Man's Land, just when the market breathes out, waiting for the long signal again. and you even decide to go long once the price of the signal price go above the VWAP. Uh, we know that the trend reversed, start going up. We about above the hourly momentum, above the daily envelope. So no reason not to go long. Price still going up. Yes, we missed the entry, I believe. The technical issues, losing time. Yeah. So we gone exactly to the view up. What was the buy zone? 69.20, 9.70. So we already have cent profit. So if you go 50 shares, 25, $30 already in the pocket. So generally, what I want to say at the end, the problem never in the tools. It's about the timing the market. So my goal is to create the tools that give you early warnings, early alerts, uh, alert, early warnings, early alerts to go into the market. And of course, if you're using some tools, you need to know how to set, set, set them up correctly, also how to use them correctly, what situations they're monitoring. So all these small, let's say, nuances should be tested. So you need to go to the market, spend some time on the market, and if you don't have time, that's why started also the group together with the tools. If I just give the tools, of course they work, but then you start for sure playing with the settings, believing that you know better setups, or you saw some setups, so some moving averages like 200, 50 moving average, 20 from other YouTubers. Yeah, maybe they work, but as my observations, as my research of the markets, the best settings, of course, and easier setup is to use Fibonacci numbers, Fibonacci ratios. So just if you have time, go and play with them. And time and time again, I realized that Fibonacci numbers actually work, and I use them in every tool. And I try to find more and more ways to use them, because I believe they have a lot of potential, that even the potential that we don't even realize. So we'll be looking further to them, and the group will be helping people, helping you to understand the settings, why the settings were selected, what exactly market conditions uh, and settings will be used for every market condition. Also, when we're changing the time frame, sometimes we also change the settings of the tools to suit better the market and the time frame. So that's why the group will be developed. I'll try to maintain it as much as possible. because this is still not my primary job. This is only just a hobby. But the goal is, of course, to create something like a tool as a product, and I I will ask some support and a donation for myself to continue developing, for you to have the right tools to play with the market. And so I'll be mentioning time and time again, you can do it yourself with time and passion. But if you don't want to spend money and years of research for the market, yeah, you're welcome to join. I would be happy to share my experience, my losses and my wins. I have a lot of both. So this is that. Yeah, so the test of the stream was quite successful. We found some uh, things to be worked on. I realized that still the hardware is going to the limit with the stream with this OBS. I'll be testing other software. Let's see if we'll have better success. But the tools are available. We'll try to release some educational video, some offline morning market watch for the crypto part. Just also to show the same tools with a little bit different settings. How in the morning you can wake up clearly and fast find the coins that moved during the night, during morning, and find some entry points. Of course, let's use all the tools to calculate our risks. So risk management is the most important. We need to remember that only loss can be calculated, and the profit we can support. We can put the trailing stops. Uh, use all the available tools to calculate where the price should go, and just maximize our profits this way. So no, nobody came to the stream, but if somebody were watching in the recording, also I'll just double check how the record gone. Also, what was recording offline. So if something gone wrong, I can re-upload it for everybody to watch. And it's quite interesting journey for me. I hope that some of you will join. We have big plans and a lot of ideas in progress, and new tools to be developed. Of course, it will take time, but I'm really passionate about this journey, this idea to analyze, to create tools, to learn from the market, from the people that I'll meet on this journey. Quite exciting. And in 5 years, I would like to watch this video again and see from where I start and where I finally will be. So this is diary record number 5, probably. Let's see where this road to victory will lead me, will lead you. If you make your dreams come true. You get some financial success, and next bull run will be interesting. So thank you for tuning in for this time, for opportunity for me to grow. And finally, we have good bit rate, but we'll stop the stream. Enjoy the day, enjoy the evening or the morning, depends what time of the day you watching. And see you next time.